Good morning, everyone! Good morning! Ano po tayo kami ngayon mag-breakfast?
Oh, we sound like Kuya for Easter!
Yeah, it is for Easter lang. You want one?
Oh! I think they do this because they don't...
That is marmalade.
And this was...
Nutella.
And Mama?
Yeah? Bishtek. Ang galing na kanilang breakfast dito kasi alam nyo, merong rice. Wow. You know? May rice. Meron din po silang sabaw, miso soup, tsaka teriyaki na fish. Tsaka mix of Asian and German food po ito dahil ang may-ari nito is Japanese. Thank you so much. Hi guys!
Hi.
Where we go, Arya?
We are going to the pool!
Yan, mag-pool po kami. Thank you sa Affordables. Itong outfit natin, swimsuit natin today is from Affordables. Pero nakasuot ako ng pajama dahil mahirap tayo kay...
We're going down!
We're going up. Okay? It's going up.
Oh, it's 9!
Let's go. Hi, we're in the pool. Hi, Arya. Arya is waiting for her brothers.
I know them because they was yesterday here.
Ah, you have a friend? Ah, you have a friend already. Ah, you just know them. Okay. Ito po yung view dito po sa taas. Makikita nyo po ang Düsseldorf City. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Ito ang view sa taas. Ayan yung simbahan. Malapit sa Naniwa. The view here. O mga bahay dito sa Düsseldorf. There. Hi, Arya! Yan, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Kami po naiwan ni Arya, kami na lang dalawa. Malamig po yung tubig, kaya hindi kami nagtagal. Let's go, guys! We're here to check out. Grabe ka, high-tech. Ah, okay. Ay, nakapag-check out na po tayo. Labas na tayo ng hotel. Hi, pretty girl! Hi! Grabe ka. Kaklingi sa kanyang brother. Cause every little thing is gonna be all. Diyan tayo kumain kagabi na palagi po talagang fall. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry. Hi Arya, where we go? We're going to Mommy Gemma's birthday. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Ngayong araw na po ang celebration sa birthday ni Gemma, 40th birthday niya. I think for the first time naka-attend ako ng kanyang medyo malaki na today po yung malaki na celebration for how many years namin na pagkakaibigan, like 10 years. Ngayon lang po siya mag-celebrate ng ganito kabongga dahil ang reception po niya ay sa hotel. Syempre naintindihan natin kasi 40th talagang ano yan, it's a gift na darating ka sa wait Arya, sa birthday mo na come here, darating ka sa edad mo na 40, no, 40, 50 yan, maganda yan i-celebrate. So let's go. Dito na tayo sa Düsseldorf Hauptbahnhof. I got a color of her nails and we're going out now. Careful, you hold lang ka. Be alright.
Not touching the lines.
Look, it's a little girl was riding with our kofa, our maleta. Si Kuya sa likod, nag-taxi na po tayo.
Cousin, son? Yeah.
Oh yeah? Please. Sit properly. With your seat belt. Someone must sit there. Can you get...
Kuya, then you sit there. Kuya.
Come here. Huh? We are here now in Hotel Park. Ito na po tayo sa ating hotel. Medyo malaki po siya.
There's 3 beds.
One.
This is for Kuya and me, and this is for Steven and you and Papa.
Can you do a hotel room ding sa langga? Yeah, room tour. So here's our woo! Pagod. Pagod po sa biyahe. No, another one. The little girl is also tired. Oh, another one also. Our little boy is also tired. The reception.
Hey, hallo, my bad. Oh,
ja,
maar dat zat er weer my bad.
So this is the room. Wala ata siyang wala siyang bathroom. Ito yung shower room nila. Nice. You have cosmetic set. So pretty. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. Hi. Wow, that's good. Hi. Miguel. Hi, Miguel. Hi. Puro ka naka-black, oy.
We have Germans. Very second here, Germans. Bitte einmal so die Hände hoch. Wow! Herzlich willkommen zum 40. Geburtstag für Gemma. Also, wir haben hier Brasilianer. Yes! Very nice. So what else do we have here from Colombia?
Madagascar.
Yes, in a cappella. We would like to welcome our birthday girl. Please come on stage so that we can sing to you a very happy birthday. Come on. Please welcome Mrs. Jean-Marie Cabas. Okay. Let's ask Jem first. What is your wish actually? What is your wish that we can fulfill? Was ist Ihre großen Wunsch, dass wir vielleicht alle hier kollektiv zusammen erreichen können? Ihr das zu lieben. Also 3 Millionen, wir können darüber reden, aber was anderes vielleicht? Jem.
Also für mich ganz wichtig ist
natürlich Gesundheit. Wir können nicht alles machen, wenn wir nicht gesund sind.
Ja,
Und natürlich Zufriedenheit und viele Liebe. Nicht nur für Familie, auch für alle. So.
super! Dann wir wünschen die Gemma Gesundheit und vor allem von uns. Alle zusammen. Happy birthday to you. Together. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yeah, come on, people, yeah. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah. Now, happy birthday, Jem. So,
Hello,
Blender.
Good morning! Ay, wait lang yung kili. May kilikili din si may kilikili, so black. Again. Hello, blenders. 1, 2, come here a little here. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, blenders! Good
Morning.
Good morning! We are here right now in Bonn. And I am with...
Arya.
And with...
Tia.
And we are getting the white hair of Mama's hair. Yes. So what's... Oh, grabe, ang sarap. My goodness, ang dami ko na pong puting buhok. Bakit kaya? Mga maliliit na po yung buhok ko na mga puti ngayon is... Ano na siya, mahahaba. Like, new white hairs. What are you doing?
Oh, it's black.
Huh? Half black, half white.
Ma, this is
Pinakuha
black
ko kay
right here.
Jaira.
I'm going to show it to this one.
Yung mga puti ko na buhok. Can you show to them my white hairs? Grabe, tumatanda na po tayo. I don't know what why we have white hairs, pero sabi nila may explanation. May explanation daw po bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng uban or white hairs. Dahil daw po sa iba't iba nating iniisip sa buhay. May stress, dahil sa stress, meron din dahil sa genes. Itong sa akin, dahil din ito siguro sa mga iniisip natin, marami tayong responsibility. Ala, ang sarap, Jay. Uy, parang, ang sarap naman nun. Kinuha mo talaga sa punuan, hindi siya naputol. What is it, Arya? Ah, Arya is showing us the air piercing ear. Ano tawag ito? Piercing instrument. Para ito pang pabutas. Butasan ko na si Arya. Arya, should I have a you want to have a piercing? Yes? Should I do it to you? Parang sumasang-ayon na siya. Wala pa po kasi siyang hikaw sa kanyang tenga. Kaya gusto ko sana siyang butasan. Eh, takot
You
siya.
know everything from Tagalog speaking or Saya speaking.
What?
That one.
Yeah,
You know everything.
Yeah, hikaw. Should I put hikaw to you? If do piercing? Wow, you like it already now? But we must buy you piercing first. You have one. It was a gift from Kaloy and Krisa. But I can't find the other pair. Bibili na lang tayo. Para dalawa. Oh, putol. Sayang. So, tapusin lang po natin itong pagkuha ng mga white hairs. And then, we're gonna go out. We're gonna wash the clothes. We're going to the washing area.
And then go get the pizza and then go buy piercing.
Oh, so Arya's craving pizza. Kaya, pupunta yan tayo after din maglaba. Bibili tayo ng pizza for Arya.
Pizza Margarita. Hello.
Hi, we are here in washing area or washing shop. Alam nyo kasi, nagstay po tayo dito sa Bonn. Wala po tayong washing machine. Kaya, nag-wash po kami ng clothes dito po sa mga, ganito po na shop, washing shop, no? So, dito meron siyang XXL. Pwede ilagay itong marami na labahin. At meron itong parang medium lang, konti lang yung labahin nyo. Lagay yung dun sa maliit na washing machine. So, now we need to put our clothes. Arya, okay? You help me? Natin i-mix yung black. Dapat yung black.
Mama, can I do now?
the life here. Without a house. Yeah? Now in the other side. The other side. Come, you bring the white. That in the other, come, Eden. Here, oh. There, in the number 7. So, in number 7. Here, oh.
Mama, is this all mine?
Yeah, put all them. All whites. Yan, kanya-kanya kami. Si Arya sa puti, sa akin sa mga itim.
Any more?
Okay,
Oh, there.
Careful.
There.
Yeah. I give you.
Ah.
Careful with my camera.
Yeah, I will. Ah. Mama, this is not all white.
It's cigar.
This is blue.
Yeah, I know. White and blue. Isang salang na lang po rin. Pass, no? So much? So much already?
Yeah.
Oh, i-on na natin yung washing machine. We have big washing machine kaya number 1 yun siya. Press na yung
Mama?
1. Wait lang. Then, put the money. Put the money. Hola! Here. To the other side. Ayan. Press dito. Ganito. Ayan. May sabon na tayo. Galing. Then, ilagay.
Mama.
What to put? Here. Ay! Okay. And here. Okay, put it. Are you able to put it? No. Put. Oops. Inaangs. Okay. Ay! Are you able to put the €5?
Here, this side. On this side.
Yeah, it's good. Then the number is 7. What's the number?
7.
Oh, 7. Yay! Oh, wait. Change. Wow, it costs €3 only?
€2.
No, this one is €3. The small one is €3. The big one is €8.
Let's just say, thank you,
So here, I'm not allowed to carry it. Come, you stand up here. Sa malaki, dito naman lagayan ng sabon. Thank you, my assistant. So, tapos, may lagay soften na yung so, mga dalawa. Sobrang bilis niya. Sobrang bilis niya. 39 minutes. Tapos na. Start na ba ito? Start. So, we need to wait 39 minutes. After dito, i-dry natin siya. May bayad yung dryer, €1. So, while waiting na matapos yung ating washing, hairstyle tayo kay Arya. Look, Arya! Yay! All violet. So, let's eat ice cream first. Yan. Dahil matagal pa yung ni-wash natin, naisip pa namin kumain muna. Arya got some ice cream that you have, Arya. Bubble gum and chocolate. And we have tiramisu. Na-miss ko to. It is with coffee.
Coffee. Taste this.
Tapos lakad-lakad tayo. Punta mo tayo sa ride sa may river. I requested that we will ride. You can see here the Rhine River. You better sit here this side.
No, not on that side.
Yeah, so you can see the river. Look. Wow, what a beautiful view. Look
Look,
at that.
there's kids.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're going up.
Mama, look at what's there.
Oh my God, so nice. Look. Very nice weather today. Sun is shining. Kaya perfect day for
There's
going
kids
out.
and cars running
Careful
on the
with
bridge.
cell phone.
There's kids and...
Go see your face. Wow.
You not scared?
Yeah.
Oh, Mama, we're up now.
Yeah. Oh my God, we're in the top of the world already. Oh yeah, we're going up again. Oh my goodness.
Look, Mama, you can see everything.
Can I take a
Look at the
picture?
beach.
Oh wow. I will take a picture of you. Can you smile here?
I wish I'm in that.
Smile, are you? Oh, are you here? Oh, it's like we're in the other country area. Nice,
Mama,
right?
we're going to another round and another round and another round.
Yeah, look at that. The bridge is there. Tanyo.
I'm gonna do another 3 rounds again.
Yeah, and
Mama, I wish I'm in that beach.
beach.